Collect exercise data and report performance using ExerciseBuddy's Workout History tool. To access, simply click Workouts and Workout History. Each time you complete a workout, you have the ability to assess or have your student self-assess their workout performance, as well as save any important notes. During the workout, ExerciseBuddy also collects data and reports performance under Workout History. At the top of the workout history, you will see the date, total exercise time, and the exercises completed. Below, you will see a detailed report on the exercise data completed for the selected date. For each exercise in the workout, ExerciseBuddy will report the target time or reps set for the exercise, followed by the amount of time or reps actually completed during the exercise. Based on that data, ExerciseBuddy will collect the level of performance achieved during the workout. For example, the goal for hip extension was a target of 12 reps. The student completed 12 reps during the exercise, so their performance is reported as 100% achievement. Workout history also collects data on any time spent off task or not exercising. This data is collected anytime you pause the exercise during a workout. Total time is based on the total time it took to complete the exercise. ExerciseBuddy calculates the level of efficiency based on total time spent exercising versus time spent off task. The student spent 50 seconds performing the stability ball hug with 0 off-task time, so they were 100% efficient. ExerciseBuddy will also report on how much time was spent watching video models. Time spent watching video models is reported separately because it is used as an evidence-based practice to support communication and instruction. All of the self-assessment scores and comments will be reported on the right side of the workout history next to each workout. The workout history data or comments can be edited if needed. To do so, simply click the Edit button and update the desired information. Make sure to click Save when you're done with your edits. To view previous workout history, click the Date box. You can select an individual date or date range. Viewing a date range will give you an overview of each workout session within that date range. Select a specific date to see the detailed workout history report.